Hello. Good morning. Today we are presenting here a small activity. Take out the bees from the honey beehive. This activity clears the concept of farm animals, and this activity helps the child recognize number and value of the number, enhance eyes and hand coordination. Let's start. Are you excited? Yes. Are you excited? Yes. If you like this activity, please share and subscribe. Okay? Tell me, which number is this? Which number is this? Three. Anna, take out three bees from the hive. No, don't. Honey, bee got bite. Which number is this, Shivagya? No. Which number is this? Okay, take out two bees. Okay. Post safety, Shivagya, and cover her hat. Now take out. Shivagya, take out. Okay, yes. Clap your hand. Say bye-bye. Virat, wave your hand. Virat, tell me, which number is this? 5. Now take out 5 bees and put in the basket. Okay, no. Pick up it. And put in the basket. Yes. Very good. Very good. Now tell me, Naya, which number it is? 4. Take out 4 bees. Very good. Okay, now take out 4 bees. Put in the basket. 1. Count. Very good. Clap your hand. Clapping. This? 4. Which number it is? Very good. Take out 4 bees. No, don't like this. Now pick up it. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good of you. Clapping. Which number is this? 3. Which number is this? 3. Take out 3 bees from the beehive and put in the basket. Put 1, 2, 3. Very good. Clapping. Clap your hands. Okay, wait. Bees. Pick up it. And put in the basket. 1. Wait. This is 3 number and okay. Can take a. Which number is this, dress? 6. Loudly. Which number is this? 6. Okay. Take out 6 bees and put in the basket. Count. See 1. Okay. Pick up it next. Take out bees. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Very good. Clap your hands, yes. Clapping hands. Manika, which number is this? 13. Which number is this? 3. Okay, take out 3 bees from the beehive. No. Okay, take out. Put in the basket. 1 wheat. Okay, next 2 and 3. Very good. Clapping. And Meher, which number is this? Loudly. 4. Which number is this? 4. Which number is this? 4. Okay, take these. Put in the basket. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Wait. Clap your hand. Touch, tell me, which number is this? 7. Which number is this? 7. Take out 7 bees from the beehive and put in the basket. 1, 2, loudly 3, 5, 6. Very good. And 7. Very good. Clapping. Vamika, now tell me which number is this? Which number is this? 4. Which number is this? 4. Okay, now take out 4 bees to use your hand. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good, Varnika. Good job, Varnika. Take out bees and put in the basket. Who gives us honey? Honey bee. Put in the basket. Very good. Clapping. Clap your hand. Okay, Loita, tell me which number is this?
4.
Very good. Which number is this?
4.
4. These are bees. Now take out 4 bees from the beehive and put in the basket. Now pick up it. Pick up it. 1. Put in the basket. Don't touch. Take out. 2. Say 2. Okay, pick up it. Next. 3. And next. 4. Very good. Put in the basket. Good job. Now tell me, Freel, which number is this? 3. No. Which number is this? 3. Pick up it. Bees. 1. Very good. Clap your hands. Both. Loita clapping. Loita clapping.